Welcome to the second experiment of separately excited DC motor. In this experiment, we are going to see the load characteristics of separately excited DC motor, efficiency characteristics of separately excited DC motor. To observe the speed control, we are going to observe the speed control of the separately excited DC motor by armature voltage control method. The apparatus required is specified here, which you can see it here. And this is a mobile workstation where we are going to do the experiment. And here the first module what we are having here is power supply. We are having a provision for both AC and DC power supply, variable and constant. Then we have a DC motor of rating 175 watts, 800 revolutions per minute, 120 volts, 2.8 amperes. Then we have load. As a load we are having prime mover dynamo meter. It can be used as a prime mover, it can be used as a dynamo meter. In this experiment we are using this as a dynamo meter. Okay, to work this as a dynamo meter we are using this in dynamo position. This switch should be in this position towards dynamo DY in dynamometer mode. Next, coming to the first part, machine inspection. In machine inspection we need to write the rated voltage, rated current, rated field current, rated speed and rated output power of the DC machine which we are using. This is the module. There is a DC motor or generator. This is the DC machine where it can be used as a DC motor as well as generator. This terminals 1 and 2 are the terminals of the armature, terminals of the series field winding, terminals of the shunt field winding. Shunt field winding can be used as a separate field winding. Now what we want the rated voltage. For what? For motor. For machine rating we are having two ratings. The machine can be used as motor as well as generator. But as we are going for a motor operation, we need to check this rating. The motor ratings are rated load voltage 120 volts, rated load current 2.8 amperes, rated field current. Shunt field winding we are using this field winding as a separately excited field winding, 0.4 amperes. Rated field current is 0.4 amperes. Then we have rated speed. Rated speed is 1800 rpm and rated power output is 175 watts, which we have specified it here. This completes your inspection of the machine inspection. This is the first part of the second experiment in electrical testing 3.